We guide you through how to add the Google search bar to your Android home screen so you can search faster without opening the browser. First thing you need to do is unlock your Android phone and go to an empty space on your home screen. Tap and hold the screen until the menu appears. Then, select Widgets, scroll through the widget list, and find Google. Then, choose the search bar widget, tap and hold it, drag it to your home screen, and place it wherever you like. After adding it, you can resize the search bar by long pressing it and adjust its color, shape, or transparency through the Google app settings. Once set up, you can instantly search the web, apps, or voice search directly from your home screen, making it one of the most useful widgets on Android in 2026.